Okay, so when object is kept at infinity, the image will be formed right at focus, which is 15 centimeter. The focal length of this mirror is 15 centimeter. This is a concave mirror. The mirror which is bent in, the reflected surface from of the mirror bent in is known as concave mirror. Or you can say the painted surface of the mirror which is bulging out, the painted surface. This is concave mirror. अब सर आगे लेके आओ. Okay, so you can see as I take this candle closer to the mirror. Now as I am decreasing this, I am reducing the distance between the mirror and the object. You can clearly see the image is becoming fade. Now if I try to focus the image, now here between the focus and center of curvature, the sharp image is formed. When an object is kept beyond C, when an object is kept beyond center of curvature, the image is formed between focus and center of curvature. And still the image is real and inverted. You can see the image is inverted. The image of the candle is inverted. Okay. Now come to next point. Let's move the object further closer. Now if I keep this object at center of curvature, now you can see the image of the candle will also be formed at center of curvature, and the image is real and inverted again. But this time the size of image will be the same as object. You can see. Now let's keep this candle further closer. Now I keep this candle between focus and center of curvature. Now let's see where the image of this candle is formed. Now you can see the image of this candle form is beyond center of curvature, and again the image is real and inverted. But now this time the image of an object is larger than the object. The image of candle flame is larger than the object. It is bigger. Now let's move further and let's keep this candle further closer, and at point F or at focus. When we keep the object at focus, the image is formed at infinity. So you can see the image is forming at infinity and it is highly magnified. You can see the image is highly magnified. Now I ask my student to take this screen or farther away. You can see the image is highly magnified when object is kept at focus. Okay. Now if I further keep this candle closer to the mirror, now suddenly you observe this, the image of this object disappears. Now where the image has gone? Now this time the image is virtual and it will appear inside the mirror, behind the mirror, and the mirror is virtual, which will be erect and highly magnified again.